13 hobbies that replace scrolling and actually transform your life. First, learning a high-income skill. While most people spend hours consuming content, others are building skills that make them money. Every hour you scroll is an hour someone else spends getting ahead. Second, strength training. Your body gets stronger, your mind gets tougher, and discipline starts showing up in every part of your life. Third, reading, not random books. Read things that sharpen your thinking because better knowledge leads to better decisions. Fourth, building something online, a YouTube channel, a personal brand, a business. Start building today instead of waiting for the perfect time. Fifth, running. Running teaches you to keep moving after your mind tells you to quit. That's where discipline is built. Sixth, learning sales. Your ideas mean nothing if nobody understands them. The better you communicate, the more opportunities come your way. Seventh, video editing. You already spend hours watching videos. Imagine turning that same time into a skill that can pay you for years. Eighth, chess. Every move has consequences. It teaches patience, focus, and thinking ahead instead of reacting emotionally. Ninth, boxing or any combat sport. You learn confidence without becoming arrogant. Pressure stops feeling scary because you face it every time you train. 10th, journaling. Write what's actually on your mind, your goals, your mistakes, your excuses. You can't improve a life you never stop to examine. 11th, walking without your phone. No music, no notifications, just your thoughts. If silence feels uncomfortable, that's probably what you need most. 12th, learning a new language. It strengthens your brain, improves memory, and creates opportunities you'll never get by scrolling. 13th, meditation. Just 5 or 10 minutes. A focused mind will always outperform a distracted one. You don't need all 13. Pick 2 or 3. Stay consistent, because your life won't change from watching. It changes when you start doing. Subscribe for more videos that help you level up.